Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video, we have another awesome product from NOCO. We have their Boost Plus UltraSafe jump starter that we're going to be testing out today. If you don't know, NOCO makes some of the best battery jump starters and chargers around. This is the 12 volt 1000 amp new one that they sent me. Once again, fantastic company. Check the reviews on Amazon. You will see they are absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and just get this unwrapped, unboxed. We'll check out how it looks and we'll do some testing on it. Stay tuned. All right, let's get it unwrapped. This is the NOCO G40 edition. Okay, always got the great packaging as well. Comes with a NOCO 1-year warranty. This device, what's cool about it is it also allows you to charge tablets and other USB devices when you need them the most. So you can recharge, you can boost up your car battery and recharge devices as well, which is great. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. I mean, this is just so high quality. I'm sorry. Just feels so good. Quality build. So you have your USB out, USB in. So you have a USB-A port and a USB-C port for your in. So great. And we have our GB40 and our icons. Power there. Shows our charge level. 12 volt 1000 amp. On this side, we have our 12 volt out. This will be our connectors that go to the battery. Also has a flashlight as well. We'll check that out. Just cool that we can, cool. You can turn the light on just with the button. Power button here. Keep it nice and simple as well. You're gonna want this for sure. Let's see what else we got in here. All right, we got our NOCO 1-year warranty. And then on the inside here, we have our battery cables. Once again, nice heavy duty as well. Look at these. Got this little nice placeholder here. Let's check these out. Let me just hear that. You're not going to want to put your finger in there. Look at these heavy duty springs. Nice connector as well. This will go right here. Fits in nice and snug. Look at that. You're not going to have to worry about anything. Some of the best products, probably the best product you'll find on Amazon when it comes to this. And now we have a nice carrying bag. Great color as well. You can just throw everything in here when you're done. Just like so. Everything will fit in there nice and neat, including the cables. Everything fits perfectly fine. You can just throw this in the back of your car whenever you need it. All right, let's see. Moving on. Now we just have our USB-C charging cable, C to C, same thing, nice high quality cable. All right, now we're just going to charge the device up. You're just going to want to go into the section that says USB in. That's a USB-C port, the smaller USB port, the newer one. That is reversible. Right when you do that, you should get your icons here. So we already got 2. We're about halfway full, working on the 3rd. Give that some time. You're going to want this thing to fully charge up when you keep it stored in your car. So we'll go ahead and let that charge, and then we'll just do a little bit of testing. Okay, before we test the battery, let's test and see if this thing can actually charge your phone. So let's go to the section that says USB out. This is a USB-A port. I'm just going to plug in a cable there. And then I'm going to run the other cable to my phone, which supports USB-C as well. And we'll see if that charges. All right, now that we have the device plugged in, make sure it is powered on. And then let's plug in our phone using the USB-C at the bottom. We hear the noise. And if you zoom in, you can see that it is charging. So that's fantastic. This device works as a battery jump starter and can charge your devices, which is great. All right, let's move on to the battery. Okay, so we got an old Toyota 4Runner here. This thing runs so well. Battery is not the best though, and it does sit for quite a while. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and see if we can get this thing boosted up, and we'll see if this thing can charge up. Okay, you can see that this battery has seen quite some better days, but it still does work. So let's go ahead and get the pop top on this. Inserts in really nicely. Once again, so snug, such good quality. We'll make sure that we get these attached. Nice and snug fit. And then negative to black. And then we will go ahead and power on the device. Look at that. You already got a nice connection there. Turned white to let us know that it's already sending juice its way. All right, this has been sitting for a couple minutes. Let's see if we can start up the old dog. Yeah, boy! The NOCO Boost GB40 12-volt 1000 amp can handle pretty much everything thrown at it. It'll even get this old dog back started up again. Once again, you're going to want this in your car, in the back, the front, the trunk, anywhere. Fantastic product. Keep this thing nice and charged. Use it as a flashlight. Use it to charge other devices, or use it to start these batteries, because man, not having one of these could be a pain in the behind. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.